on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Come on. I got a gal in Cincinnati, I got a woman in San Antonio. Always love the girl next door, but any place is home for my old man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of the highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track, and so does J.D. Well, I got this worn out bass guitar carrying an old tote sack. Pawned it about 200 times, but I always get it back. I'm a big old man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Well, you may not like my appearance, you may not like my song, you may not like the way I talk, but you love the way I talk. I'm a free boy, my home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Yeah, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Happy birthday, Carmen.
Thank you, Paul. Hey, thank all you guys. We got a little crowd today, Paul. We don't usually have that many people up here, but you know, all you got to do is let them know you're gonna have some pizza, and everybody shows up. You know.
I did.
Anyway, so want to thank you all for coming, and we're gonna do this for at least an hour, and if we have to go over a little bit, we will, because I've got a few people I want to get up and let them have some fun with the band. JD? You're kind of our guest artist this week, so I want to thank you for coming up. And his lovely wife, Luann, is out there. How about a hand for JD? Come on. So thank you so much. And Palmer, good to see you. Swan,
Yes, sir.
you're looking well.
I'm looking mighty good.
You look good. I love you. I want you to know that. Okay, we're going to do another song, and we're right next door to Bob's Ventura.
Yeah, we are.
Yes, we are. We're very close. Anyway, so in a minute I'll get to the rest of you guys. We got well, I'll mention names later because it'll take too long. So you want to do another one?
Sure.
Okay, let's rock this chicken.
If we could do Before the Next Teardrop Fall. Key of G. One, two, three.
It's your happiness that matters most of all. But if he ever breaks your heart, if the teardrops ever start, I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. I'll be there anytime you need me, by your side to dry away any teardrops that you cry. And if he ever needs you, just remember I love you, and I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. JD. Though it hurts to let you go, darling, I want you to know that I'll stand by you if ever you should call. And if I should ever hear that he made you shed a tear, I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. I'll be there anytime you need me, by your side to dry away any teardrops that you cry. And if he ever leaves you blue, just remember I love you, and I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. Thursday boy. I'll be there anytime you need me, by your side to dry any teardrops that you cry. And if he ever leaves you blue, just remember I love you, and I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. Well, all right.
I keep wanting to say we come to you from Baltimore. We're coming to you from Carmine's Upholstery Shop, but I'm not really promoting the upholstery business, so I don't, But we are still next door to Bob's Furniture. We got a very good friend of mine from about 1972. Donnie Pryor showed up. Of course, Frog showed up. Roy is here, and Chris Ross, who's kind of our substitute drummer when Palmer can't make it. Chris becomes one of the Wild Country Band, and my friend Howard. And then we got some ladies here. I know most of their names because they're one's my granddaughter Lily, And then the others, you know, I'm going to get your names mixed up, but they're my nieces, and I love them. My sister Lee is here. And Bart's here, the ukulele king, and also a good guitar player and a fun guy to play with. And I'm getting like some sun in my eyes, so Dr. Teresa, Dr. Kathy, Louine, Menace,
Dr. Seuss.
what's his name? JD's wife, what?
Dr. Seuss.
Yeah, Dr. Seuss, yeah,
Dr.
he's here.
Seuss,
Of course,
yeah.
my grandson Brandon, he comes to all the shows with my daughter Kim, who does all the technical stuff for us. Got a couple more people walking up, don't know who they are.
Good.
Is that Stuart? Oh my God. Stuart's here and his lovely wife Carmen. I'm Carmine, she's Carmen. And we got more people, of course, my lovely wife Susie. And Robin's here. I don't know her, I forgot her last name, but I know Robin's a great pretty lady. My sister Leah, my nephew Nick, I don't know. On and on, Dr. Kathy. You know who you are.
How about Pete Anderson?
Pete Anderson.
How about your son?
Is he here too? Yeah, my son Dylan's here. Hey, Pete. and Eric Garcia is here.
Yeah.
And he's been hanging around with some pretty tall cotton. They're walking in tall cotton lately. He keeps flashing these pictures up on Facebook like he has a beautiful recording studio called 48 Windows. You ever been there? Oh, I've been there a few times. What a beautiful place. First class. And he's got people like, you know, Barbara Streisand hanging out there. And others that I can't really think about right now. But that's the one that stuck out the most was Barbara Streisand. What a great lady she is. Who else? And tell me, give me a name. Yeah, Carmen. I just mentioned her and Stu. Yeah, I just said it. Yeah, absolutely. So glad you're here. Thanks, Sue. Okay, Swan, you want to do one? Here we go.
Here's a closet full of dresses that I bought you. And here's the key to the new car in the drive. It's time to bring up.
Don, you want to get up real quick? Donnie Pryor, my good friend, came to my birthday party, drove probably 100 miles. Glad you're here, Don. Good to see you.
Is Chris Ross
Just
the
use
one
this amp.
that you used since 1941?
Chris, I've been using Chris for a long time.
1941.
He's a good man. Yeah, at least. So we're here at Carmine's Country Corner. We do this every Sunday from 6 to 7. Today, because of the amount of people here, we may go a little over, we may not. We'll see how it all goes, but they're still showing up. And we're having a lot of fun. And we have cake and pizza and salad and cookies and drinks. And we're having a birthday party.
You know, Carmen, you made me feel a little bit like a piker because I've known you since 1974, and you have to say, I met Don in 1972.
Well, I got people out here longer than that, too. But I'll tell you, 74 ain't bad, Paul. You and I have been around a lot of you. Yeah, I knew you before you were married, had kids, or anything.
You knew me before.
I knew you would.
You knew me before it was
Just
all over.
Look at this guy. Oh my goodness, is that Matt?
Hey, all right.
Is that Matt, my buddy? Oh God, ever seen
Okay,
him?
Matt Liddell.
We'll get you up in a minute. Have something to eat. Oh, that one's a little flat. You have a tuner? You want one? Oh, here you go. Help the tuner. Okay, while Donnie's getting them wires tightened up. Matt, good to see you. Man, am I glad you're here. How'd you hear about this?
Through the grapevine.
God, you were the one guy I was trying to keep it from. No, I wasn't. I love you. You know that.
Could have been the 5 phone calls you made to him.
This guy rocks the house when he gets up. What are we doing? Let's do it. Oh, heard it through the grapevine. So Donnie and I used to work down at the Imperial Valley place called the Town Pump. I think they were famous for their steaks back in that part of the world. And we had, and all over the valley too. We had a lot of fun. Are you okay? All right. Oh, he's going to use this mic. All right. What? Okay, we're good. We're good. We're rolling. G, what do you want to do?
Dear G, the running kind. I was born a running kind. Ethan's always on time. Home is never home for me.
Don, thanks. We only have time for one. I'm sorry. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. But I got so many people. Well, already it's 6:25. What? Oh. Oh. There's one. He's coming right now. Oh, we'll do one when he's done here. Matt, come on up.
I gotta do without you.
This one will turn up a lot. Blessings. Even when you. Hey, Eric, come on up. Play with Matt.
Oh, yeah.
How are you?
I'm great. How are you doing?
Come on in. Okay, we're gonna get up Matt and Lomeo, yes. Matt Lomeo and Eric Garcia, two really good friends of mine, and
Yeah.
and they're gonna work well together. You could use my mic, and if you're gonna do anything.
Yeah, I want to do a song that I want to dedicate to Pete.
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Instead of, again,
Just tell me what flavor, Eric.
flavor G. Oh yeah. Listen to that mic music.
See if Paul has us.
Okay. I want to do a song dedicated to Pete. Yeah, he always used to do it. I loved it. Wonderful guy. Amazing shock between the guitar amp and
Oh,
this microphone, but I'll stay away.
Pretty good, too.
She's got everything she needs. She's an artist, she don't look back. She's got everything she needs. She's an artist, she don't look back. She can take the darkness out of nighttime and paint the daytime. We'll start out standing, proud to steal anything she sees. You will start out standing, proud to steal anything. You'll wind up looking through a keyhole down the JD. Pete Anderson.
Eric Garcia and Matt LeMayo. Matt, you want to go ahead and sing one?
Sure.
Yep.
How about I fall to pieces? Yep. E.
E.
What's the E? E. I fall to pieces.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. I saw you out there.
More people have showed up.
Take the intro, Jimmy.
Crowd's getting bigger. How about a hand? I want to hear you guys.
Carmine
Thank you for showing up.
takes a licking and keeps on ticking.
Okay, let's do it.
1, 2. No, 1, 2.
Fall to pieces each time I see you again. I'll fall to pieces. How can I be just your friend? You want me to act like we've never kissed. You want me to forget, pretend we've never met. But I've tried and I've tried and I haven't yet. You walk by and I fall to pieces. Gary Swan.
Carmine.
Thanks for coming. Eric, come by more often, would you? Feel like playing country, just set up an amp and join the band. It's fun. Eric Garcia, folks, this guy's a great guy. And so is Matt Romeo, my other good buddy. You know that I try to be.
Great guys.
Anyway, I think the band will do one, and then we'll get somebody else up. There's a lot of people here. I don't know what I'm going to do. Just do what I can, right? Sure. That's all I can do. Okay, so what do you want to do? The band. What do you got? You want to do it?
Sure, I'll do it. Let's do Dark Hollow.
Okay.
Key Bay.
minute. Yep, just for a minute. Yeah, just you got 1 minute. There goes 15 seconds of it. Okay, no, absolutely. Do a song for us. Thank you.
You gonna leave? Yeah. You gotta go. Yeah, see the guy and then come back.
Leaving? I'm playing without the birthday boss.
Chris, Ross, come on up.
Oh, wow, that's a whole G. I come over, everything goes smooth.
No.
It's all good. Yeah, it's all good. We're bringing up the eighth grade.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get some other stuff. I'm gonna get some long guns. What are you being trouble? He says JD left and he told me to play steel. That would be bad. I've convinced anybody to play.
That'll give me some time to tune this thing. This one's actually in the key of Be Quiet.
We don't have to wait for him to do a song.
Okay, let's do loud. Well, you say that every time I play. Carpenter Breeze in the key of G for a good day, Carmine. That's not loud. Like that. Well, now they call me the breeze. I keep blowing down. They call me the breeze. I keep blowing down. You got me nobody. I don't care if you know all I think goes Georgia beaches. They make me feel right at home. I dig them Georgia beaches. Make me feel right at home. You know what? I don't care if you know. You still back there, Gary? I dig you, Georgia beaches. Make me feel at home. It's true, you know. I said I dig you, Carmine beaches. Make me feel right at home. With Carmine's country corner. I got me this guitar, so I guess I might as well play.
Dr. Teresa, come on up. Folks, these are all my good friends that support the show and support what we try to do here. So we have to share the party with them, and we have a great time doing it. And that's why people like Bart and Eric and Chris Ross and everybody came up. You use that one. And sorry. And so we're going to get Dr. Teresa up. You know who I forgot to mention? I forgot to mention a very special lady that I think the world of, and her name is Sylvia. And Sylvia, I want to personally thank you for coming to my birthday party. Love you. Okay, do it.
Okay, I can't stop loving you. Key of E.
Can't stop loving
I can't stop loving
That's the wrong key. You say E again. I think you did. 90. All right, we got the wrong key. I think we do this in the key of G. Let's do it again, G.
Okay. I can't stop loving you. I made up my mind to live in memory of a man. I can't stop loving
rough start, but you know, it's a family show, so we don't sweat the small stuff. Anyway, Ricky Z just got here. Yeah, I think he was out of town. He just flew in.
He's back now.
Yeah, I talked to him. He was on the road. He was on an airplane or something. Anyway. Swan, you want to do another one?
Yeah, give me my mic back.
You can't reach it from there?
This is dedicated to everybody that takes music lessons. This is what can happen when you don't pay attention. As soon as Ricky Z is in the social butterfly.
What key were you in?
Gee. Hey Stuart, get the social butterfly Ricky. Get up here and play and earn your pizza. Everybody's going out, having fun. Just people staying home, having fun. I can't get over how she set me free. Oh, lonesome me. Didn't say God. Oh, better ending.
Ricky Z, where were you when I talked to you this afternoon? Wisconsin or somewhere? Where the heck were you?
With cancer.
Well, thanks for coming. Where'd you land? Which airport did you land at? Yeah, well, when you came home. You were in LAX, you drove all the way up just to make. Oh, baby, hi. Haven't seen you in a while. It's a beautiful life. Hey, we got more people coming. They're hugging my wife. I don't know who they are, but jeez. You want to see one? Is that okay? Best you ever had, huh?
Absolutely. We're having a rehearsal. Rehearsal without the alcohol and drugs. We do.
So you was born young, I'm so sad.
want to thank y'all for coming to the little party we had today here at Carmine's Country Corner. If you're watching us on Facebook, push like and share. And if you're watching us on YouTube, push subscribe and like, I think. Something like that. Anyway, I want to thank all you guys for coming out and appreciate y'all coming up. I hope I got everybody because we're running out of time now. So we're going to do, Rory's going to do one, then we're probably going to do a couple and call it quits. Stu, thanks for coming up. If you feel like playing bass, I'm sure Paul would be happy to accommodate you. Roy, you're going to use this mic here, Roy.
What's the story on the H in your upholstery sign burnt to a crisp? The H on your upholstery sign.
Oh, that fell apart. We kind of put him over. It just wore itself out. All right, so what do we got?
Let's do a little bit of Don Williams.
Just turn it down, Carl.
Oh, boy, that's a better idea. Okay, do it.
Indeed. Because Lord, I hope this lady
Lord, I hope this day is good. Feeling empty and misunderstood. I should be thankful, Lord, I know I should. But Lord, I hope this day is good. Lord, have you forgotten me? I've been praying to you faithfully. I'm not saying I'm a righteous man, but Lord, I hope you understand. Don't need fortune and I don't need fame. Send down the thunder, Lord, send down the rain. When you're living just how it will be. Feeling empty and misunderstood. Should be
Thank you, Roy. Roy's a big supporter of the show. He's here every week and he's always helping us out. So thank you. And that's a good song. Well, we love you too, and you know that. Hey, you know what? We're gonna do maybe one or two more, and then we're gonna have cake. So nobody go home yet. Gotta have the cake. All right, Paul, do it.
Sure.
Far across deep blue water lives an old German's daughter on the banks of the old river Rhine. Well, I loved her and left her, but I won't forget her. She is my pretty Fraulein. Fraulein, Fraulein, walk down by the river. Pretend that your hands won't be mine. By the same stars above you, I swear that I love you. You are my pretty Fraulein. As my memory wanders away over yonder to the sweet home that I left behind, in a moment of glory, her face comes before me, the face of my pretty Fraulein. Fraulein, Fraulein, look to the heavens each night when the stars start to shine. By the same stars above you, I swear that I love you. You are my pretty Fraulein. Fraulein, Fraulein, look up to the heavens each night when the stars start to shine. By the same stars above you, I swear that I love you. You are my pretty Fraulein. You are my pretty Fraulein.
Well, we're gonna call it a night. Try as the show goes, the party will go on because we still got to do the cake right now. So thank y'all for coming. You look great out there. I haven't played for this many people at Carmine's Country Corner before. Anyway, yeah. So thanks for watching the show. Hope you had fun. Thank all you guys for sitting in, helping us out. And we'll catch you next time. Goodbye.
Whoever's going to be in a group picture, now's the moment. Come on up. Everyone but John.
All right, so I'm gonna cut the cake. Oh, okay. Hey, everybody want to get up here? Come on, guys. Don't trip on the wire. Make it quick. Next, find a spot. Danny, you got. Even though you didn't play, get up here. Hey, Joey.
Oh, Lily just left. She just told me to.
Okay, come on. Kim. Now what's this picture? Yeah. Hey, Joey. Honey, Kim.
Hey, Ricky and Pete.
I mean, everybody can play. We'll do another one. Yeah.
Everybody play.
See ya.
Quick.
Make sure you get Gary with the pizza.
Who else plays?
Anybody play? Come on.
Judith, play, but he can get up.
Okay, get up. All the musicians come up.
I guess that's it. Ricky Z.
Ricky!
Ricky! Come on up for a minute. Huh? Who? What? Pete.
One, two, three, spine tape. Go.
Everybody smile. Have fun.
My hand's tall, it's all right.
Joey, what'd you get here? It's good to see you.